Got the Ryobi Black Friday 2024 holiday deals for the season. Yes, this is for the Home Depot. Um, don't if you guys don't want to miss any of those deals, those Black Friday deals, make sure you stay subscribed, hit the like, hit the bell, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And also does help out the channel a lot. So you guys do that. All right, so you got the OnePlus 18 volt lithium starter kit with 4 amp hour battery starter kit. And I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Excuse my voice. I'm not the 100% right on my voice. You got $99 for this deal. And if you click here on the gift with purchase, you are able to select a free tool. So this is the 18 volt cordless compact workshop blower, $59.97. Valued at $59.97. You got a 4.5 angle grinder, valued at $59.97. A 5-inch circular saw, $59.97. The LED spotlight, $59.97. The reciprocating saw, $79. The lithium battery, $69. 2 amp hour. Oscillating tool, $79. Multi-surface handheld vacuum, $34.97. And check this out, guys. We have the brand new, yes, well, actually not brand new, but it is brand new with this hack. You got the power scrubber. Yeah, this is one of the best ones. If you own Milwaukee, if you own DeWalt, Makita, you don't have a power scrubber. Well, this is why you got Ryobi, because Ryobi's got all these tools. It's got your back on all these weird tools. Yeah, this is the tool to get, and it will sell out, guys, because this is one of the best ones. The rest of ones, they're okay. Obviously, with this kit, with this $99 deal, you want to get the most expensive one. So this is going to be the one right here, the scrubber, $79.99. That's great for cleaning cars, shop, whatever. Upholstery, great for upholstery, by the way. You got a cat finish sander, $49.97. And again, your higher price is going to be the best deal for that. Add it to the cart. $43.55. Killer deal. All right, next one down, you do got higher end